All right, I'm going to show you how to make one document into multiple documents. In other words, we're going to take one document and assign multiple inmate IDs to the one unique document. So first of all, we're going to assume that you've scanned and indexed one document with one inmate ID. So for example, the law library spreadsheet, you've taken it in, scanned it, and indexed it. And now we're going to retrieve that and convert that into a file that we can index multiple times. So I'm going to retrieve a document that I've scanned previously. So I'm going to pull this up and print it to my PDF printer, and I will name that LL Test Doc and save it. So now I've got this one document that we've already scanned and indexed, and it wouldn't matter if it's a spreadsheet or whatever. When you run it through the scanner, it takes a picture of it, and that's what we wind up with. So we are now going to index it under different inmate IDs, and we'll do that using data entry, which is a lot like the in-basket. Which actually I went into the in-basket by mistake, sorry. Or did I? I guess it's about the same thing. Sure looks the same. Sorry about that. In this case, it's going to ask which template we want, which we decided we're going to use classification, new document index. Open that up. We're going to index a file. And the difference is, instead of the in basket, we get a list, a browse list, and in this case, to make things simple, I put it on my desktop. It's this PDF that I created, and now I'm going to assign the next inmate ID to it. That's kind of overwhelming. So Swiss ID on this one, the name. I don't need that. And if you want that, put it in. You know, we're creating an index. So in this case, I'm going to put in the doc type. So you just tab down, type in LL, press enter, and then the date of tab down again. You don't need anything there. And tab down into where it shows everything highlighted, then you type in the date. So if it's fine the way it is, leave it that way. Otherwise, make sure it's highlighted and start typing month, day, year, and then press check. And now it should bring up the same screen. Actually, it's doing some indexing. So now it brings up the screen like the in basket, next. So it's on the desktop. the same file, and it's mostly checked out. It's mostly all filled out for you. Oop, I didn't want to do that. Tab, don't want anything there. Law libraries are all filled out, and the date is filled out for the date that we scan those documents. So it's important that you put in the date you scan the document. Check. So you can see it goes pretty fast the next time through. So now the new inmate ID, when it's ready, it's in the background doing some work. So now we browse to, again, our file, and tab, 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 done. And I actually just hit enter, and it indexed it. So I did the whole thing from the keyboard this time. So we'll try that again. Desktop, document, inmate ID. So I clicked on that, 551, inmate name, tab, 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 enter. And at some point, if you press enter, I think it's going to index. So you can't press enter to get to the next field, you have to press tab. If you press enter, it's indexing. So now we've indexed that document under different inmate IDs. We're done for now. And we go into retrieval. And we're going to document retrieval, and I'm looking to see if inmate 4 went to law library. Hey, look at that. He did. And I did this previously today, trying to figure this stuff out. Now I want to know if anybody went to law library on the 29th. And again, you have to use a tab, and then I just type 03/29/17, enter. No documents. What about the 28th? You gotta get the right date in there. That's what I did wrong. Yep, look at all the people that went on the 28th. Let's try the 29th again. Yep, same people went on the 29th. So that's it. Let me know what you think. This is not Jack Diamond Productions. It's pretty raw, crude, and boring. Thanks.